They say nothing lasts forever in Vegas, and on July 17th, 2024, the Mirage went dark. This was the very last time the volcano roared, and as someone who is obsessed with First and Last, I made sure to go up and take a last walk through the atrium and casino, and I was surprised to find out they were doing one more volcano show. Let's take a look back at a classic that's now part of our Strip's history. Oh, they're doing the last volcano ever. We're going outside right now, guys. Bye, Mirage. After the last drum played and the applause died down, we all turned around to find out that the doors to the Mirage had been locked, and the security guards were escorting us towards the parking garage. Thanks for the memories, Mirage. Were you there for the final show? If so, let us know in the comments. And if not, let us know what your favorite memory of the Mirage was.